Hello and welcome back to the Schmitty750 YouTube channel. Today we have the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi mesh system. So we got 3 in this box and 1 in this box. And we have the Starlink Ethernet adapter that these will plug into. And this will plug into the back of your Starlink router. So if you don't have one of these already, the Starlink yet, then it's good information to know that the router is not that strong. The Wi-Fi signal is not as strong as some of the routers that you can buy. And if you already own it, then you know that it's not that strong. So we have a lot of dead spots in the house, and I'll show you right here where the dead spots are with 2.4 gigahertz and with 5 gigahertz. This is with 2.4 gigahertz. We'll do the range test. Click that you're ready. And it will recognize the router. And there's the router popping up on the cartoon. We'll just kind of walk around some of the areas in the house with my phone down so you can't see all of my stuff, nosy. So we have a TV that streams right here. So that's pretty good signal there. There is a laptop in here. Not too great a signal. And a little workout area where there's some streaming there, and that's very poor signal even with the 2.4 gigahertz. And we'll go to another streaming TV. So kind of a dead zone there even with the 2.4 gigahertz. And the big test will be how far it goes across the driveway to the shop, where I'd like to put a mesh router in the shop. So it looks like that's about as far as I can make it, which is about halfway. So probably end up having to put a mesh router outside of the shop and then a mesh router inside the shop to go through that metal wall. Now we'll try the same thing with the 5 gigahertz, which doesn't have near the range, but it's a lot faster. So the router again. We should be able to see how much weaker the signal gets, even though you're not very far away from the router. So the closest streaming TV is not that great with 5 gigahertz. And the laptop, which that's terrible. And everything beyond that. So try the other streaming TV. Yep, not so good. So obviously outside's not going to be very good either. Alright, so real quick, let's just open one of these up, see what it comes with. Looks like a single one covers 2,000 square foot. But we also have 3 others in that other box. See if I can figure out how to open this. Okay. So I know you have to download a little app to be able to set it up. And looks like we have our cable that hopefully will plug into this Ethernet adapter. Yes, that works. And then plug into the back of one of these right here. And it should have a power cord as well. So there's your power cord. Plugs right into the back. So cool, easy enough. Okay, so first things first, we'll have to unplug this cable right here. That's going to be that 90-degree cable that gave me so many problems on install. And we'll take the 90-degree cable from the Ethernet adapter and we'll plug it in where the other one just came out. And the one from the dish we'll plug into right here on the Ethernet adapter. And I'll just kind of throw all this stuff back here. Here's your router, the new Wi-Fi router. We'll have to clean up these cables later. So there, now our Cat 5, Cat 6, whatever that's called, I don't know, is plugged into the Ethernet adapter and into the router. The power is plugged into the router, and the Starlink is plugged back into the dish through the, what's it called? Ethernet adapter, that's it. Alright, so now we'll set up the Deco. We've already gone into the Starlink app and disabled the Starlink Wi-Fi router in the settings. So all that does is bypass the Wi-Fi on the Starlink Wi-Fi router and then uses your Deco router. I think we have the M5. Okay. So we've done all this stuff. Let's make sure we're blue. Okay, so we are flashing blue. Cool, so now we just set this up. Okay, so now everything's online. I have some other decos that I'm going to add. So now we've added the additional Deco routers, and you'll just hit the little plus sign up here. There we go. Little plus sign here. Click Decos, click the one that you've got, and it will find the other ones that you installed. So you don't have to do them all at once. You can do them one at a time, or just as you get them. Okay, so now that we have the Deco M5 from TP-Link hooked up, you can see you can no longer do the range test through Starlink. So we'll just do their speed test, and we're standing right next to the home Deco, the primary one that's plugged into the Starlink router. So we'll just do a test here. So the download's actually a little faster than normal. The upload is about the same. So we'll go in the room with the other Wi-Fi TV. This is the one that didn't have as good a connection. So not too great. We might have to move the other Deco router a little closer. We'll try again because it is all over the place usually. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, just a bad test because the Starlink stuff is pretty all over the place. So yeah, that's actually really good. And we could test it again and it'll probably be 10 megabytes per second. So it kind of bounces all over the place. So we'll go to where the computer was. Actually, let's go to the furthest room. And we'll try speed test again. Yeah, so I'm definitely not going to complain about that. All right, now let's go out to the shop. All right, so now we're standing out by the shop. So there's where the Deco is. And we'll try it again. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Awesome. So that'll be perfect for some of the outdoor cameras that I've got. And now I'll try inside the shop. So the Deco is just outside of this window. And inside the shop, I do want the Wi-Fi to go into this man cave, which I may have to put another one inside the man cave to pick up the one that's outside the shop. So we'll just do another test right here. And you can see it showing on my phone that it is pretty much full signal. I'm just walking around in here and it's still got full signal. Now I don't have insulation in these walls yet, but even if that does disrupt the signal a little bit, I can always plug in another Deco router inside the man cave and it should communicate with the one that's outside the shop. So that's it. That's the setup with the Deco M5 Wi-Fi mesh, and it is integrated into the Starlink system, so it does work. And it actually works really well. And I guess now I just gotta clean up this giant mess that I've made. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something, and bye.